How to get dark mode on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, head over to your Play Store and search for TikTok. If you see update sign here, update your app. Then open up your settings, scroll below to apps, and again here search for TikTok. Under usage, tap onto storage and clear the application's cache. Now once you do all that, head over to your TikTok application and get logged into your TikTok account. Get into your profile from your bottom right corner, then tap on three-bar icon, tap on settings and privacy. And at this page, you should be able to see the option of display. In my case, it's not being displayed because the country does not support dark theme of TikTok, but in case it's not the same for you, you will be able to see the option of display. From there, tap onto it and choose the dark theme. And this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon in our next upload.